Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making moong dal soup or green gram soup. For this we need 100 grams of dhuli moong dal or yellow lentils, 1 chopped green chili, 50 grams of sprouted green gram, 1 medium sized tomato chopped, 1 medium sized onion chopped, ginger half an inch very finely chopped, garlic 3 cloves chopped, red chili powder, cumin seed, salt to taste, turmeric, coriander seed powder, garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Let it crackle. Add half a teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute for half a minute. Now add 1 chopped green chili. Add half chopped onion. Cook till onion is transparent or pink. Now add 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Cook till tomato is soft. Now add quarter teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add little water. Now add 100 grams of dhuli moong dal or yellow lentils. Add 50 grams of sprouted green gram, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it, cook it for half a minute. Now add 600 ml of water. Cover it and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes till dal is cooked. Uncover it, stir. Now transfer it to a blender. Now again transfer it to a pan and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes till soup is thick enough. Add half a lemon juice, coriander leaf, mint leaf for garnishing. Stir it and your healthy green gram soup or moong dal soup is ready. So please try moong dal soup. Thank you.